My limeade recipe is easy and delicious. Everyone knows about lemonade. It's a great summertime drink, but sometimes you get tired of it. You want something different. Limes are similar to lemons, so in my opinion, it just makes sense to see if you can make lemonade but with limes. This recipe is for a single serving, 1 glass, because lemonade, sometimes you have to adjust the sugar, lemon juice, things like that. Limeade is no different, and also since limeade is not as common as lemonade, just like with any other recipe, it's best to make a little first, see what you like and don't like before you make a larger quantity. You will need 1 cup of water, but I am going to start off with 2 tablespoons of water in this microwave safe measuring glass. I'm also going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, as well as some lime zest. I am going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of lime zest. What you could do is you could just take a cup of water, the lime juice, the lime zest, and the sugar, put it all into a glass, stir with a spoon, and you would be done. But sugar doesn't like to dissolve into cold liquids. It's going to be kind of gritty. So you need to make a simple syrup. Like I said, I have 2 tablespoons of water set aside, to which I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of sugar, as well as the 1/4 teaspoon of lime zest. Like I said, I'm going to make a simple syrup. I'm going to put this into the microwave for 1 minute. And then when it comes out, I'm going to stir it. I'm going to stir it now, but then I'm going to stir it again when it comes out of the microwave. And by doing that, by heating it up and then stirring it again, I'm going to dissolve that liquid, or excuse me, dissolve that sugar so that it's not gritty. The simple syrup for the limeade just came out of the microwave. As you can see, the sugar is now completely and totally dissolved. I kind of cooked the zest a bit. I think that by cooking it in the syrup, that's going to help draw out the oils and the flavors a bit more than just adding it to the cold water. So now I'm going to add my simple syrup to my glass. I'm going to let it cool down for about a minute or 2 while I get the rest of the water. I let the simple syrup cool down for about 2 minutes while I got the water. You can see that the lime zest is at the bottom of the glass. You could strain it if you want, but honestly, I think that it is fine. So like I said, the other part of the cup of water, along with the 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I did not add this at the beginning because heat, I feel like sometimes negatively affects lemon juice and lime juice. It takes some of that sourness, that tartness away. So that's why I waited to add the juice until the end. Now I'm just stirring. As you can see, I have a beautiful glass of limeade. If you're tired of lemonade, you want something different, definitely give this limeade recipe a try. Like I said, the key is just making that simple syrup in the microwave so that it's not gritty. If you don't want to do that, you could also put this into a blender. I think it's still going to be a little gritty, but not as gritty as if you just mix it all with a spoon. So, like I said, my limeade recipe is a perfect summertime drink. Make sure that you give it a try.